So it was like, what, about a year ago it feels like at this point. I promised I'd have some trim to share with you. Ha, voila, check it out. Behind my left shoulder, you see the fireplace box all trimmed out. And behind my right shoulder, you see one of the windows. We trimmed them out in Craftsman style as we did throughout this entire house, inside and outside. I shared that trim plan with you last time. We made a ton of progress. Good thing, because it's been like 3 weeks since I've done a video. So we've had so much crazy stuff going on. And we're now at that phase where there's lots of materials that need to be finalized, such as the flooring, the paint colors, the carpet, the tiles, the plumbing and electrical fixtures, and we've been all kinds of crazy making all that stuff happen. So for example, I want to tell you a funny little story about our tile. So we're doing tile bathrooms in the mudroom, laundry room, all those places in tile. And I've been looking all over the place up here like crazy and found all kinds of tile that I loved. But oh my goodness, it is so crazy expensive compared to what we've become accustomed to in Atlanta. So a couple weeks ago, I was thinking, wow, I really wish there was a store called Floor & Decor. We had that down in Atlanta. And again, like always, the disclaimer, no, Floor & Decor is not paying me to say this. Best tile shop in the universe as far as I'm concerned. They have the most amazing selection. The prices are so incredibly reasonable. But like I said, they're all the way down in Atlanta. And several months back, I did a search for a Floor & Decor, and the closest one was like a good 2.5 hour drive. Well, guess what? A new one opened up, and it was only like 45 minutes from here. It was in Potomac, right? So I tell Jay, I'm like, we're gonna go to Potomac and we're gonna go to Floor & Decor and find our tile. So we hop in the car, and we're driving, and Jay's like, my God, why is this taking so long? Well, it turns out that it wasn't in Potomac, and for those of you who don't know the geography, don't worry, because I certainly didn't either. The important part is, it was not in a town called Potomac, it was in a shopping center type of area known as Potomac Mills, which is a good like hour and 45 minutes from here. So that in and of itself didn't seem like that big of a deal. We got there, we're like, okay, great. Well, the nice thing is, we found this great tile that we really love. Check this out, it's right here. It's a 12 by 24, okay? Really popular to do this shape right now. And like most of, well, all of the finishes actually in the house, we're trying to maintain a balance of keeping it contemporary and really fresh and modern, but we also don't want to be too trendy so that everything is outdated right away. So that's why we did this current shape. But you can see it's got a kind of marbly pattern in it rather than like the stripes that are really popular in the 12 by 24 tile right now. Anyway, found this amazing tile. It was like $1.39 or something ridiculous, crazy cheap, crazy beautiful at this Floor & Decor. So we calculate how much we needed, and we needed something like, I don't know, 35, 45 boxes of tile, and each box weighs 66 pounds. So we go, we pay for all the tile, and we're thrilled that we walk out of there spending only like $1,000 for all the tile that we need. And then the forklift driver comes out and is like, oh, so what are you planning to put this in? And we're like, well, we have the truck, of course. Like, yeah. Well, you probably don't want to put more than maybe at the high end, 10 or 11 boxes of tile in here. We're like, great. So this hour and 45 minute trip, and that's without traffic, has turned into, I think, it turned into 4 trips. So nice thing is, even with all the gas money and the time and all that good stuff, it's still a great deal. I did go online to their site, and it turns out I could have had it delivered, but it would have cost me almost as much as the tile just for delivery charges. Ridiculous, right? But it was an adventure. It's always something, and it's a learning process. So anyway, great progress on the house. We have our tile, we have our carpet. I'm gonna show that to you next week's episode, maybe 2 weeks out, because next week I'm gonna show you the cabinets that are going in. Our buddy Todd down in Atlanta, who owns an amazing cabinet shop down there, hooked us up with some incredible cabinets, and they're partially installed, but I'm gonna save that reveal for next week so you can see them all and be like, ooh, that's so beautiful. So anyway, the siding guys are outside working right now. The painters are upstairs caulking. We are cruising right along. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye for now.